So in this lesson, I will show you naman a products that has no buybacks, or we called it as suppress buybacks. So as we can see here at this graph, currently wala siyang buybacks. Pero kung mapapansin nyo dito, let's put it into here. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron siyang buybacks historically. Pero more on si Amazon ang mostly nakakakuha ng buybacks kasi mas binibenta nila ng mas mababang price. And kung mapapansin nyo dito currently, ayan, wala siyang buybacks for the span of 3 months kahit na binabaan na ng mga sellers yung prices nila. So sa ganitong scenario, may mga clients kasi na kapag walang buybacks ang isang item, hindi nila pinopurchase yung item or yung product. Although dito, selling naman siya kahit na wala siyang buybacks. Kaso pag walang buybacks kasi ang isang item, some of the customers, hindi na nila tinitingnan yung other sellers who are selling this item kasi mas gusto nila yung convenient. Minsan namimili na lang sila doon sa mga sellers kung sino yung mas nag-offer ng mas mababang price na merong mataas na feedback and ratings. Compared kapag may buybacks, yung mga customers ina-add to cart na kaagad. Yung mga customers ina-add to cart na kaagad yung items regardless kung sino yung sellers. Diba? So, kasi once na nakuha ng sellers yung buyback sa Amazon, parang they already have trust sa seller kasi mga prime sellers sila. That's why the buybacks is really important for a sellers. So, dito, yung nakikita kong reason kung bakit wala tong buybacks is because Amazon thinks that 23.38 pounds is still expensive to offers sa mga customers. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo dito, ayan, balikan natin yung ano. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, nagkaroon lang siya ng buybacks when Amazon set the price into 18.99 pounds. That's the average price. Okay, so maybe if the sellers they can still sell this item for only 18 pounds or below, possible bigyan sila ng buybacks ni Amazon. So ayun, so ang pinaka point of view dito, some of the sellers they don't want to sell an item na walang buybacks as long as we can use the price kung saan nagkaroon siya ng buybacks. So as long as we can use this price na 18.99 pounds as our, which is the 18.99 pounds as our sell price or as our the selling price, no? So pero kung gagamitin pa rin natin as selling price also yung price na walang buybacks, which is the 23.38 pounds, still hindi pa rin sa practical to purchase the item, no? So that's how you identify naman products that has no buybacks. So if you want to learn more about kung paano ba maging Amazon VA, most especially as a product researcher, I really suggest na mag-invest kayo sa AvaPH because meron silang courses, meron silang course about PR, Amazon PR, no, PR1, saka PR2, and I think meron na din silang wholesale course that would really help you to become an Amazon VA then. And yeah, yun nga, I really suggest na mag-invest lang kayo sa course nila because these lessons na ginagawa natin are only an overview to learn about Amazon PR. And from these courses, no, matututunan nyo talaga dito from basic to advanced sourcing. Okay? Plus, magkakaroon pa kayo dito ng mga trainings after the course and bibigyan din nila kayo ng access sa mga tools and softwares na ginagamit talaga nila sa pagsasource. And actually, you are also not investing sa course nila because you are also investing sa community nila. And yun nga, napaka hands-on ng mga coaches and marami ding mga VAs tutulong dito sa inyo sa mga questions. And currently, meron na din silang 80.3k members. And actually, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa community nila is talagang tulungan sila paangat. Plus, may mga free lessons din sila kung paano mag-apply, paano gumawa ng resume, And the most importantly is they also have referrals, which is i-refer nila kayo sa mga clients if you already done the courses and trainings nila. Kasi, dito sa Ava PH and yung mga coaches behind this community are napakabait, napakagaling, and ang dami ding clients and agencies na alam ang Ava PH. Kaya, yun nga, napaka-advantage ng mga nakagraduate na galing sa Ava PH because alam ng mga clients yung quality ng services ng mga PH na galing sa Ava. Okay? Kaya if you want to learn more about Amazon PR, I will put the links dito sa baba ng description natin and i-visit nyo na lang sila. So with that, good luck sa inyo and see you inside the community. Okay, so that's all again guys for this another lesson, and I hope that I can still see you to our next discussion. So yun, bye for now guys and see you to our next lesson. Bye!